Hello everybody and welcome to Easy Coding Examples, the place where I code for you and you get to follow along with me and we write some fun and interesting code. So here we go. Today I'm going to write a program that's going to check for even numbers. Okay, let's have a look. So check for even numbers here. Right, we're going to create a function. And we're going to call it check even number. Okay, check even number. Okay, let's have a look. So we're going to enter a number in and check if it's even. So first of all, we're going to number is equal to, and I'm going to say float here, so if we enter a decimal number in, there shouldn't be an issue. Input, and then enter a number. Okay, enter a number. So basically the user will then enter the number. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to say if number modulus 2 is equal to 0. I'm going to go here. This is I don't know what's happening with my interpreter today, but it's not right today, so I'm going to have to go from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's playing up today. My interpreter, it's doing the indentation all wrong. So anyway, never mind. We'll soldier on. So I'm going to print. Okay, print the number, and then a little message after it is even. Okay, is even, or if it's not even, we're going to have to print another message. So if it's not even, it's going to be odd. Else print the number again. Print number, and the message is going to be number is odd. Okay. Right. Okay, we just need to call the function now. I'm going to call the function check even number. Okay. Right, I'm just going to save it on the desktop here. Let's just save it on the desktop. Save as desktop. I'm going to call it number.py. Okay. Right, okay, this little bit here that we saw, modulus here. So basically, modulus returns the remainder of a division. So 2 will go into 4 twice with nothing left over. But 2 will go into 5 twice with 1 left over. So it will divide the number 2 into the number that you give it, and if there's nothing left over, it's an even number. But if there's something left over, then it's an odd number. That's how it works. Okay, let's run the program. String literal detected. Oh dear. Oh yes, I forgot to close that off, didn't I? Yes. Okay, let's save that again. There's always something. At line 2. Oh dear, it's just highlighted this for me. 2 of them in. Okay, let's just save the program again, and this time we shall run it. Okay, enter a number. Let's have a look. Let's enter 8. 8 is an even number, of course it is. Okay, let's run the program again. Let's enter a number. How about 9? 9. Number is odd, of course it is. Okay, let's make this program look a little bit better. Let's give it a little bit of a space there. So let's enter the last number. and 113. Okay. Number is odd. Of course it is. Okay. I hope you enjoyed that little program, and remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It will certainly help me out. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye bye.